Hello, it is me. Thank you, Sweetie42, for the follow, and welcome Jax, Farquad, Rekna, John, Mr. Brexy, and Book to the stream. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm still kind of setting some stuff up, so I thought as soon as it had been about 5 minutes, I'd turn my mic on. Yeah, today, essentially, this is going to be the stream. Hey Morgan, how you doing? I'm doing alright, thanks. I spent the most of the day very tired, which is why the stream is so late. But yeah, yeah, we're going to be doing what we hoped to do in the last stream, but didn't manage to do it. Welcome, sweetie. Hope you're doing okay. Yeah, that is a bit what we get. Because I stayed up until 4 a.m. the previous night and I wasn't as tired, so I don't know. Rick Roll music and get copyright strike. Yeah. Welcome, Vicky. You can't. It doesn't support Markdown like Discord does, unless there is a way and I just don't know about it. But so if I go like this, hang on, like that. There you go. Still need to sort out the overlays. Continuation or fresh start. Sort of a hybrid of the two. So it's using the same main bot as before, but the music stuff is all started. A couple of bugs that are on PyPy. Okay. At least I don't need to download a million things anymore. Also, is that might not be muted? I don't know. Was that muted? I'm a great streamer. I don't need that open anymore anyway. I've got it's already open. So I was trying to get it to join a channel and I couldn't get it to do it. So actions. Be this one. Artifacts. And then it would be the Ubuntu latest for 3.9, I guess. Naturally, it comes in a zip because, of course, it does. And then I go in here, and then I do Real Explorer. I don't get what this zone identifier thing does. It's very annoying. Extract it all there. Move this out. Thanks for the follow, Joe. Hope you enjoying the stream. What do you choose, tangent instead of light bulb? I prefer tangent syntax, but I'm tempted to switch back to light bulb for the purposes of this tutorial, though. But I haven't fully decided yet. Lava Slick is now on Piper. Yeah, I know, but apparently there are some fixes that are in this wheel, so we're using those. I've been told to use them, therefore I'm using them. Pip install -u lava snack. Yeah, that one. Okay, it's gonna force reinstall. Okay, there we go. I don't know why you didn't just set it as an alpha 1. But okay. Welcome Terminal to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Okay, so what I've gotten so far is I've gotten everything to load and everything works. But this example that I've been trying to follow doesn't appear to actually work. So I don't know if I changed everything. So I'm gonna go back and see if I actually did it properly. That's the wrong one. Pure hikari bot.py. So it was in here. Oh no, okay, it just took the token. That makes sense. In this, it had event.bot.token. Is that something I added last stream? I don't remember. Yeah, I haven't set the webcam up yet. So Biggery. So I guess, yeah, this is the thing I was having with whether to put it in a component or not. Because it was just annoying. I could put... No, I couldn't. I don't want to have to reload the token, but I might just have to do it as a bot for now. And if someone comes up with a better way, we'll do that later down the line. But for now, we'll just have that. I just want it to work. I don't want to faff around with anything really. Leveling.build missing one positional argument. Event handler. Did it have one here? Oh, it did have an event handler. Okay. So I'm presuming that is stored from. Where is that taken from? Oh, is that a custom class? Oh my god. Okay. So if I do that, so that's our event handler, and then we pass in event handler like that, and then that should work. Component has no attribute lava link. You serious, dude? Oh yeah, I suppose that is true. So what do I attach it to? I forget what this does. Let's see what this does. This just has. Oh, it has this bot.data thing. Oh, this is the problem with components. So I'm kind of half wondering whether it's worth just switching out to Lightbulb now. Let me look at the example in Lightbulb and see if it would just be easier to switch out to Lightbulb at this point. So the main bot. Okay, that's fine. And then music plugin. Oh my goodness, okay. We'll try a light bulb. It looks easier in light bulb. So we'll do that. So it'd be com slash. Oh, I can't be asked to get the development version. I'm just gonna get the. What from? Did you do a PR on this one? Oh yeah. Let me browse. Where's the file? Oh, the file's changed. Here we go. That's not really what I want to do. I forget how you like just. Oh, there it is. Okay. So we need to be Qbots. That's not what we want. We want the light bulb ones. Actually, it's probably easier to just go to here, isn't it? There we go. Okay. This is doing all this still. Have the on ready. Oh, this is a pure hikari one. That's not the one I wanted. I wanted the light bulb one. There we go. So first we've actually got to switch everything out to light bulbs. So we need. I'm not sure what the latest version is, so we're just going to do that. And then we've got to like rewrite the whole thing anyway. Like it's probably worth it for this. So we do instead of tangent, we do import light bulb. It's not installed. Pip install -r requirements .txt. Oh no, but this is built on a plugin, isn't it? Yeah, that's bit. Yeah, I just thought this is built on one of the plugins, so it would work completely different on a slash command. That's actually a good point. You know, we'll try. We will try the pure hikari one. For now, I think that might just be easier. Yeah, but the slash commands work differently, so I don't know how you do it because you can't group slash commands into the same plugin. I'm pretty sure. The guild ID and the channel ID. Yeah, but what I mean is like, where would you store it inside the slash command? Because you'd need it across slash commands. You couldn't just have it in one. I suppose you could have some sort of data class, but I haven't really experimented with a light bulb enough to work out how to really do that. Self.bot and CTS.bot. I'll do though, so I can probably attach everything to the bot, then get it from the slash commands, I suppose. Yeah, okay. That works, right. Right. Most of this we want to keep, but we want to set this to be lightbulb.bot, I think. Why did I do that? That's not what I want to do. I thought it was going to be a tangent. So this all stays the same. This goes away. Oh, I need to go back to the old version of the repo because that will have lightbulb stuff in it. Stream number 3 still had it. Yeah, I was talking about where to actually store the object itself. Yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, this did it this way, didn't it? I remember now. And these also need to be called extensions now. We're not going to bother with a schedule, I don't think. Bot / extension. I don't think we need the separate thing, do we? This because it's just init and bot, so we don't actually need the separate thing for all that. And then this should be mostly the same. Aha, we have this one. So it's something we need to add. Okay, I might load everything first, like that. And then could I have? Did I have a bet? I had like a this in here. I need this in here. Actually, I'll put that underneath that. And then I need to do, instead of logging, I need to do log. There you go. And then we don't need that. Whoops. Either. And then I think that's fine, if I remember correctly. I'm not sure if there's an extra step that we need to take, but I'm going to see if we can actually... Well, actually, this is going to complain, isn't it, if we leave it as a component. No, I'll just copy the files and delete the file for now. Just copy the text and delete it, so that we can at least check to see if the bot even runs. Hash commands only is false, but no prefix was provided. Oh yeah. Because we want to do... Is it in here? Oh, it's the super in it. Okay. Equals straight. Because screw anything else. There's no correct client. This is very true. We can get rid of this. And then, okay, so that seems to work fine. Cool, right. So now, we go back in here. We say music old.py, and then put that in. Okay. I'm gonna move this off screen because I don't know what's on the clipboard. Okay. I don't want to risk there being like a token or something on there because I normally use the clipboard to move tokens around a lot, and then they get stored like that. So the music old, and then we have this pi cache can leave. And we have our just standard music.py. So import hikari, import a light bulb, and then just import everything else when we feel we need it. Although in theory we are going to need to import lava snake rs. Just a thought that we might need to do it. For some reason it doesn't come up in blue, and I don't know why. I don't know why lava snake rs doesn't come up in blue. It's the only one that seems to not do that. So it'd be... Oh, it'd be from light bulb import slash commands. So it'd be slash commands dot slash command. I don't actually think we need this. There's no py file yet. Oh, really? Is that what's confusing it? Okay. So I didn't think the blue was relative to that. I thought the blue was just, oh, this is an import thing, like it goes purple if it's an argument or whatever. We need to do slots equals that, and then def init. Actually, that's not how slash commands work at all, is it? I forgot. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to attach the lava link stuff to the bot. Just put that there and then sort that. That'd be fine. So then we have lava links. So on starting, would it work in on started, or would it have to be on started? Because it can't. Well, I know it's grey because it can't resolve the import, but the others, even the hikari is grey, but it's like blue. It goes darker if it can't resolve the import, but the fact that it's grey is irrelevant to that. This wanted on shard ready. I'm guessing that start an event would be fine for all that stuff, for actually building the thing. And then, so yeah, doing all this in, I guess in here, yeah. Actually, this would come last, wouldn't it? And it's not. Are we gonna have to attribute this like self.token or something? God damn it. Self.token, okay. Oh no, but started event doesn't have my user, so I think it is gonna have to be shard ready. Okay. Async def on shard ready self underscore bot type event hikari dot shard ready event, and this returns whoops. You can get the user ID from the token. Oh really? Well, that's true. It's the first. It'd be self dot to. Whoops, see daisies. Self dot token dot split dot stat, isn't it? I believe. So that way, this can come back in here, and we don't want component. We want self dot lava link. Oh, is it the code as well? dot. Oh, that means we need the base 64 library. Oh, that's just annoying, dude. Is it not just self dot like user ID or something? Like, you think the bot would be able to get its own ID, theoretically. I don't know if it would be in the light bulb docs or the that was bright. Or the whatevers. The Hikari docs. And plugins, yeah, slash command. Fetch owner IDs, that's the owner IDs. Walk commands, extensions, owner IDs, plugin slash commands. I don't really want to go through all the faff of that. I feel as though there's like a substantially better way of doing that. So it's hikari-pi.dev, isn't it? Yeah, there we go. It's a gateway bot. It's only obtained on the ready event. Well, isn't that effectively the started event? Or does it have to be shard ready and then it gets the information from there? I'm gonna guess that's what it is. So we could just do like a load of this, can't we? Put that back in there. And then I have no idea why this is complaining so much. Oh, because it's not indented properly. That was really weird. So it'll be self.lavalink, and then we're going to need this event handler back. Events.myuser.id. Yeah, but imagine doing all of that. Like, I've used base 64 before. I know how it works. I just didn't want to use it because that seems objectively not the best way of doing it. I feel like this is probably just a better way of doing it, especially considering it's the example, so it's whatever. I don't care. We need this event handler. I'm just going to bolt this on into this class for now, and we'll just handle that later, I suppose. Make it work now, make it clean later. That's what I'm trying to do here. So this missing extension is already just missing an extension. Extension missing load. What? Text equals is missing a load function. Oh yeah. That is a very good point. I do like how this error doesn't work properly though. I like how that doesn't work. Def load. I forget what it's. Is it just load like that? Bot. And then I can't be asked to type in that. Bot.add plugin. I'm just guessing at this point. I don't remember how this works. Music. Nope. Missing a load function. Amazing. I've got to go to lightbulb docs to work it out. Actually, I probably don't. I could just go to the examples, can't I? Be on GitHub. That's what I wanted. Examples. Plugin example. And it's... This doesn't have a load. Oh, I'm still in the VC. Oh yeah, I am. I didn't even realise. I don't have my headphones on at the moment, so if you did that, I wouldn't be able to hear you. But you can do it if you want. I don't even know if it'll come through on stream, but... This doesn't have a setup either. I guess because it doesn't need one. Oh, extension example. There we go. It is load. Ooh, nice. Am I being dumb? Like, this should be working, right? Oh, it's the music old that it's complaining about. It's this file. So just move that there then. I didn't even think of that. Cannot instantiate abstract class without abstract methods called back in description. Oh yeah, because we actually need to do a slash command. It's also bot.add slash command, not add plugin. Slash command. Alright, so, and then I don't remember how to do slash commands. So if I go into my... Yeah, the stream isn't set up to do that at the moment. The lightbulb bot, and then commands, and then dice, and then this is how you do it now. So you have the description, okay. Oh wait, so we actually want... So this is the connect one, then. So bot.add slash command connect, like that. And then description. I don't know if this needs to be type hinted, but I'm guessing it does. Connect to a voice channel. Oops. Enabled guilds. I still don't know if you have to do this every single time. Oh my god, look at all this. Optional t.iterable int. Because god, you have to love the typing library. And then that equals the... I need to import from hikari testing import test guild ID. I might actually make some contributions to Lightbulb. There are two things that I definitely want changed, and I might try and do them myself. So I want the ability to globally set the enabled guilds to a default without having to do this every single time. And I also want Tangent's load modules method, basically. It has to have, I believe it has to have brackets. At least that's what it has in the example, so I'm rolling with it. Oh no, it doesn't. No, you're correct. It actually doesn't have to have it. I think the plugins do, but the slash commands don't. Which, now I think about it, is a bit odd, but whatever. This is fine. And oh, we don't want them, do we? What do we want? Well, these are these are all options. I don't think we want any of those right now. So we have async def callback, self context, which is lightbulb dot slash. That'd be slash commands. Whoops. Slash commands dot slash context. Or slash command context. And that returns none. And then for some reason it's decided to do this. That's good. Doesn't need brackets. Oh, that's interesting. Whoops. This would be ctx.bot.lavalink. And then, wait, what is it here? So, dot join. ctx.guild ID. And then I guess we'll just see if this works. So far, so good. So far, so not good. Attribute error, lava link. It doesn't have it. Say what? I'm pretty sure you do, mate. Yeah. It's there. Does this ever get run? Hang on, did the on-shard already even ever get run? No, it didn't. That'll probably be what it's complaining about. So the shard just apparently never readied up at all. Actually, goddammit, dude. Okay. Oh, am I gonna have to use that base 64 crap? Ooh, thank you for the subscription, Terminal. Do appreciate it. Pog, yes indeed. Might have to use the base 64 crap. Alright, fine, I'll use it. I just did not want to. Imports, base 64. And it'd be base here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do a from because it's from base 64 imports B64 decode. And then we got B64 decode self.token token.split. That is such a bodge, dude. That's still complaining about the same thing because we never moved this out of here. That'll probably be why that complained about the same thing. It takes forever to shut down again. This is like becoming more and more of an issue with every single Hikari release. And I don't know why. And Dev can't reproduce the error. Or Dav, sorry, can't reproduce the error. Cannot be interpreted as an integer. Oh yeah, because we need to integer it, don't we? Where even wherever that is, there we go. Do wonder if that will even work. Okay, it actually did. It's nice. Rust panic. Oh, I caused a rust panic. That's not good. Rust future panicked. Oh, great. That's a useful example. Threads panicked. What the Okay, well, unfortunately that error is almost entirely useless to us. I don't know what's happened there. It just didn't work. You connected before Lava Link connected to Discord. Oh, really? Well, how long does it take? Or have I missed something? Ah, it looks like I've missed something. This lavalink.create session, I think, is what I've missed. These examples aren't exactly easy to follow. I'll be honest. It might be worth creating a simpler one. 0 seconds, configure on the builder, don't lower it though. Wait, it takes... Did I do it in 6 seconds? Okay, well I guess we'll wait 6 seconds. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it does just take 6 seconds. That is really odd. I'm sure that wasn't an issue with Wavelink, was it? Joining a voice channel timed out. Whoa, okay. Oh, right, so what happened there? So how many pings am I gonna get? Yeah, my god. There's a third one somewhere, no? No, there isn't, it's just those two. Okay, that's fine. If you see what's inside Hikari voice, that won't take long. What do you mean what's inside Hikari voice that won't take long? Build a set start gateway. Is that what we have to do? Is that down here? Oh, we did that before. Yeah, okay. So if Hikari voice, I think I need to import this from somewhere, but I don't remember where. So builder dot set start gateway false. So what does that do? If true, connect to voice with Hikari gateway instead of lava snake RSs. Oh, we just set that. Okay. Are we ever gonna need that? Voice connection handler, but the example I show how to use. Oh, right. Okay, I see. So if Hikari, wait, where were we before? So if Hikari, oh, I've lost the bloody thing I was looking at now. There we go. So if Hikari voice, which we do, oh, I'm not going to bother setting this. So presuming we do want then to do that. Will it work off the bat? No, it's the same problem. Okay, I'm presuming I did the wrong thing then. Should probably use what's on Hikari voice in examples and not the else's. Oh. Well, I'll connect. So this hasn't changed anything, so I'm not sure what this does. Because it's still the same. It's still doing the same thing. Does it still... Yeah, so it creates a lava link instance, and then I presume it just still has to wait for a bit. Okay, now it just never does it at all. It stops the lava snake gateway from starting. So if I... Now that I've waited, does it... Okay, so this just makes the issue worse. Because you don't need it if you use Hikari's. Oh, I see. Well, Hikari's one doesn't appear... unless we need all of this stuff. I don't know. Just gonna leave that alone for now. Look at the example. I am looking at the example. Like, this is exactly where I'm looking. Join command. Events. That's not. God's sake. Wait, yeah, has this await join? Which does all this absolutely crazy stuff. Like, do we really need all of this in the code? and then I guess if I bring this back. Alright, see you later, Farquaad. How have we only been going for 45 minutes, dude? It feels like we've been going for 3 hours. So... Oh, I think I see what I'm doing wrong in the join in here. Yes. So this returns a thing. Connection info, and then awaits ctx.bot.lavalink.create session connection info. So that was the bit that we were missing then. Current channel on the evoke is on invokes the channel. Don't use lava next join. What do you mean don't use lava next join? Why is it in the docs then, or the examples or anything like that? If I can't use it. Yes, that's the same. See, I have no idea what you want me to do. I'll be honest. Using silence. Well, so copy all of this. And then use... Hang on. Don't allow that. So copy all of this, correct? Is what you're trying to get me to do? Why is this passing the event through? You can't join a text channel. Well, yeah, that makes sense. I wouldn't expect you to be able to do so. God. So we're using this out of here. I think. I'm just guessing what you want me to do now, because I don't have a clue what you're trying to get me to do. I don't understand how this example is working at all. So okay, join user's voice channel, and then okay, so we do need this. Okay, and then. Need to get the bot out of the event. Does that just exist? And we don't want the event, do we? We want... it'd be the slash context that we're passing in, I think. Yeah, it'd be the context. CTX... And then slash commands dot slash command context, and then t dot optional hikari snowflake, ctx dot guild id, ctx dot bot dot cache, and then ctx dot message dot response, ctx dot bot dot cache, ctx dot guild id. Oops, not two dots, and then ctx dot bots. And then ctx.bot. Okay, and then we do, in the callback, we do the join command, channel ID. Channel ID equals await self dot join event.content. Can I just not pass this? Oh no, I'm getting confused. Yeah, I can just pass that. And then if channel ID awaits ctx.respond joins Maybe that would be that. Channel ID. And I guess that'll work, right? Welcome Dav to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Missed a couple of events on the right. Oh yes, I did. Okay. And that should work now? Hopefully, I guess. Drawing takes one position or argument, but two are given. Because I never give it a self. That'll probably be why. Oh, god damn it. Really? That's not. I'm pretty sure that's not how voice channel mentions work. I'll give it a shot, I suppose. This shutting down thing is getting worse, Dav. Like I don't know what's going on, but it's getting worse. There's no attribute author ID. I see. Right. This isn't Windows, this is WSL, this is Linux. So it's not a Windows problem. Yeah, I mean I don't know what the issue is. TTS to author ID, okay. I don't know if it's the same for... I'm pretty sure Tangent's ones have author ID and guild ID like that, so we'll see. I'm getting time errors all over the place as well. No, it's the same... Yeah, I mean, it does the same thing, but yeah. Prints when you do Control C. I completely forget how to do that. Or more accurately, I don't remember. I know it's a thing. Is it like hikari? Hikari trace, is that something? Something that stops the gateway from starting up. Oh yeah. I think I already did, didn't I? Did I put that back? I didn't. Okay, I thought I did. Set gateway, or set start gateway false. Logs equals trace hikari, okay. Whoa. And then in quotes as well. My goodness. I'm gonna presume everything just kind of loaded up. So if you do Control C, there's a lot of Redis stuff, and then just locks up. So I'm waiting for the rest of them to come through. There we go. Yeah, because it's now erroring every single time I shut it down. Unless there's some like necessity to like shut it off. I don't know how much of this you want. I'm just gonna send you all of it. And save as just logs.txt. If I go to all of it, okay, that works. There you go. So okay, we didn't test if it errors yet. When connecting. So let's do that now. Oh yeah, Discord is over here now, isn't it? Thanks, Windows. Do appreciate that. Connect. No. Oh, because there's some CTX data stuff in there that we need to remove. CTX start. What is it? Yeah, get out of here. Get out of here. CTX.data. Is that everything? That's everything. Do you have both voice events? I'm guessing not. I really don't know. To be in here and then be self.lavalink and then self and then self and then self.lavalink. Okay. Will this work now? Holy mac and cheese balls. It's still broke. How did it work and then error? What? Join the voice channel timed out. Wait, it didn't, did it? Where is the repo? Oh, it's just really breaking now. The repo is like the Hikari voice one, or there's a standard one? It's https github.com/Carberra/Hikari testing. They're both, going to be equally as broken. If you specifically want this one, it's the music testing one, but obviously the stuff we're doing right now isn't coming up on there. Join. I don't know what's happened there. Code we're using now. It's /Hikari music testing, but obviously this code isn't on there. Some of the base stuff is, so I think all the starting and stopping stuff is on there. So I have no idea if that actually classifies as it working or not. Make sure the events are running. Print voice update. Server updates. Print state update. Is it just these two, or did you want to check them all? I don't think this one even has. Yeah, this one doesn't have events. Okay, we shut down that time before. I think it might be because it's like timing out at the same time and everything just locks up. Just those two. Oh, we don't need to wait anymore, do we? That's a no. Oh, okay, yeah. Again, all the errors. Yeah, I think it locks up while it's still erroring. You found it, okay. Shut down before it starts up. It takes 34 seconds. Okay, remove your started event listener for now. The started event? This is one that controls everything. Did you add the events to listener? Oh, maybe not actually. I forgot you have to do that. Okay, so Dav, you want me to remove this entirely, correct? I forgot you have to do all this crap manually. Voice state update event on. I'm gonna do on and then on. And then voice server update event, and then on voice state, and then on voice server. Just not the lava link part, just the rest. Bot ready is not printed. Oh, okay. Oh, it's probably this. It's probably something to do with this rest stuff that we were talking about before. It's this rest thing. This, for some reason, it just doesn't work in that event at all. I have no idea why. Yeah, well now it works. Well, now it doesn't print anything in here, which is kind of, I would like that. It's after 34 seconds. Now it takes 1 second. Oh, what? So adding this. Well, so adding this made it from 34 to 1 is what you're saying. So if doing this now will work? Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, you're right. It doesn't take the exclamation mark anymore. Has that changed? I feel like that's changed. It was in the comments. Where? I don't know. See why that breaks. Well, it never did take 34 seconds. I'm not sure what you're referring to. See why that breaks. Yeah, it just, for some reason, the whole thing breaks. Oh, right. Yeah, it was this stuff that was breaking the event. And then if there's, and then if anything's in here as well, it breaks too. So Control F. Oh, Control F these logs. $34. Is it gonna be? Oh yeah, 31.53 seconds. It was because this rest thing was just trashing it. So, I don't know. Yeah, I don't get why it works fine for you, because it doesn't work fine for me. It's just, I have no idea why you can't reproduce that problem, or why I'm having it. Like, so I can't see it being a WSL issue, because like, WSL 2 is just, this is just debuting basically. So I don't know. I have zero idea, but it just completely breaks the whole thing if you do that. Okay, we've got a bot now that can connect to a voice channel. Nice. Now we need one that can. What other example commands are there? So I'm presuming there's a play. Yeah, it's the play there. Oh, actually, we probably do want to leave, don't we? Leave /commands dot /command, and then leave a voice channel, and then that's fine. And then async def call back. Whoa, okay. What the hell, tab 9? Self ctx /commands dot /command context none, and then we'll just do that for now. Here we go. Connection equals await ctx dot bot dot lava link dot get guild gateway connection info for the ctx.guild ID. I'm copying the one for play at the moment. That's not what I want to do at all. If I just, we'll just get rid of it. It's fine. We'll just put it in later. Await self dot lavalink dot destroy ctx dot guild id, and then await bot dot update voice date ctx dot guild id, also self, no, it's ctx dot bot, which means this would also be ctx dot bot dot lavalink. What is that? Is it raining outside? No, I can't tell. It's dark as anything out there. OB, and then we have this await ctx dot bot dot lavalink dot wait for connection info. I think it is raining out there. It sounds a lot like rain. Trying to leave. Okay, so and then we need just a series of commands here. Ctx dot bot lavalink dot remove guild node ctx dot guild id. And then finally await ctx.bot.lavalink, dot remove guild from loops ctx.guild id, and then ctx dot, it's not ctx dot send, is it? It's respond. Left voice channel. Okay. Is that going to work? This is the big one here. Connect. Noise. Let's leave. I never added the voice channel. I never added the bloody command. Leave. I do want to figure out a way. I think I have an idea how to do it, but I want to figure out a way to have a for loop here, so I don't have to manually add each one on a new line. I'm pretty sure I know how that would work. But it's just a matter of actually building the thing. How's the bot worked on this time? It never joined the shards. Did it? Didn't it? What do you mean this one? Not like it did. It's just buffering when I started the bot. Oh no, is OBS. OBS is fine on mine apparently. I don't know what. I missed something. Yes, I did. This needs to be none. Vlogs you sent me. Oh, okay. I have no idea. Absolutely no clue. Connect. And leave. Oh my god, it actually works. I'm also going to call this disconnect rather than leave. That just makes a lot more sense in my head. Whoops, disconnect, and then in the help it be disconnect from, and then disconnected from voice channel. Okay, so we got a connection and a disconnection system going. This seems like, I feel like this could all be in one command. Probably. I'm not sure if the update voice state could be in there, but I feel like a lot of this could just be in one command inside Lava Snack. Are we even using that? Oh, it's not accessed, I suppose. Oh yeah, because we actually don't need that in here anymore, do we? So, okay, now we do the play stuff. Okay. Class play /commands dot /commands. And then we just grab these. Yeah, I'm definitely going to try and PR something so it has like a default enabled guilds. Yes, but actually no. Oh really, is it one of those situations? They're separate intentionally. Tab 9, why? Why are they separate intentionally? Let's come on, context. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes some sense there. So the play, the callback is so you'd have the connection equals await ctx dot bot dot lava link dot get guilds gateway connection info. I feel as though this method name could also probably be shortened. Guild ID, and then if not connection. Oh, this join is gonna have to go outside of this. It's gonna have to just sit here. And then I don't want this doc string here really. Then this needs to somewhere self.join here. This needs to just be join. And then we need a join here as well. CTX. Get args. Is that something you've built? Oh, that is as well. It's in the arguments of a command. Oh no, that is right. Yeah, we need an option then. Query t dot. It's not t dot. I need to look up what it is. It is. Oh, it's t dot optional. Oh, it's not actually optional. It's t dot required. So it would be just a string. There we go. Slash commands dot option. The song to play, I suppose. I don't know. This is also CTX. So now we get where is it? There it is. So actually, I don't know, can you have like a multi-word argument in a slash command? That is actually a very real issue that I feel as I'm about to come across. So query info equals await ctx.bot.lava link dot auto search tracks, and then we have ctx.options dot, and I'm guessing it'd be query like that. A multi-word but not multi-line. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'm guessing it's options now rather than option values, unless it is still option values, but option values didn't come up. We'll just have to see if that works, I suppose. So if not query info dot tracks await ctx dot respond could not find that query were found. So I'll just put that in. Oh yeah, we want to return that, don't we? Let's see what, yeah, it'd be a, if you do it properly, it'd be like that. Then okay, so it's a try except await ctx.bot.lovalink.play ctx.guilds_id query info.tracks0. Oh my goodness. .requester event ctx.author.id .q. Whoa, okay then. Except lava snack rs dot no session. I'll just do accept. Why am I doing it there? No session present. And then we need to. Alright, see you later, Dev. No worries. From lava snack rs imports no session found. Yeah, the like resolvers and stuff can't work it out. Is it present or found? Present. Yeah, the autocomplete doesn't really like it either. That's super weird. What? What's wrong with that? Oh wait, ctx.respond. Oh, I see. No session found. Use /join to resolve this. Oh, I won't bother putting it like that. Okay, so that in theory should work. And now I put my headphones on. Oh, that doesn't look good. That doesn't look good at all. Didn't add the command. Oh yeah, that's very true. I didn't add the command, did I? Oh, so annoying. I have to do that every single time. And now, yeah, something is locked up hardcore. What's gone wrong now? Okay, what was that? Okay, I don't know what happened there, but something drastic happened. So to turn the bot, I need to turn desktop audio on, so we can actually hear anything that we play. And then, okay, and that worked this time. So connect. Oh my goodness, it still failed. But it worked but failed. That's all that matters. Control D instead of Control C. I will try that next time I shut it down. Play. And then Scarlet Fire. There you go. Okay, there we go. That's no, that should be option. Okay, it was changed to options. So Control D. It immediately breaks. Yeah, if you do Control D, it doesn't like that at all. So yeah, this was changed to options. Now if we play Scarlet Fire. Ah, I never awaited something. That's probably what happened. Oh yeah, I never awaited this. That would probably help. Was there a problem with the other one? The problem with the other one, I'm not sure what it was. Also, I could probably do all of this, couldn't I? But inside this would be good. There we go. Okay. D then C. Well, D then C seemed to work, I suppose, so I'm not sure, but... Oh my god, that actually worked. That is also super loud. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. That is very loud. But it is working. We've actually got some banging tunes. Okay, that's actually cool. Yeah, it was pretty loud. I always forget how something's loud. So I'll just bang it. Okay, so what do we need to do next? I don't even know what is next. So we have the play. Ah, stop. Yeah, that would probably be a good one to implement. Class. Oops. Stop. Slash commands. Dot slash command like that. And then I'm sure this has the same description. Oh, right, I see. That's actually true, yeah. Did it? I'm not sure if it even played. You know, we actually need to respond. Now playing. And it'd be this dot title. I imagine would work. And skip is good. Alright, so we just won't have to stop it all then, I guess. Skips a song in the queue. It doesn't play it now, it adds it to the queue. Gives me, oh yeah, I know I don't need to make my own one. Because lightbulb.slash command now. Oh really? Well, that works. But I still need to get the slash commands context from the slash commands, so it's just easier to use the slash commands and slash command thing. Skip song in the queue. And then we need to... I really need to figure out how to do that. So it would be just skip. All right, yeah, that's a good point. And then you'll have a that in chorus as well, just make it a little bit nicer. So skip itself, so skip equals await. But no, it'd be CTX. No, it wouldn't, because I need the callback. Stop doing that. Why does it do that? I'm half thinking that's a bloody like VS Code thing that's going on rather than a other thing, but slash commands dot slash command context, and then that returns none, and then so we take skip equals await ctx dot bot dot log length dot, so I'm presuming this gets the next track to skip to, right? Oh, this is a track we're skipping. Okay. Oh yeah, I need the async, don't I? Skips the ctx.guild ID, so that gets the track that we're skipping, and then we also need the node apparently. ctx.bot.lava link. Thanks Tab9 for getting rid of that just as I was about to use it. Get guild node. ctx.guild ID. If not, skip. Then awaits ctx.respond. Nothing to skip. And then we need to return. Otherwise you do if not. So if the queue is empty, next track won't start playing because there isn't any, so we'll stop the player. Okay, that works. Not node.queue and not node.nowplaying, so this is why we need the node. That makes sense. ctx.bot.data, no, dot just lava link. Dot stop ctx.guild ID. And then await ctx.respond. Skipped and then skip dot track. Oh, it's dot info dot title. I see. So I need to change the one up here as well. Okay, so that should be able to now skip the track. So you play. Let's see what we've got. Otis McDonald does it flow. This is a bit of a banger. I like this one. Okay, so that works. So if we add something else, so say bad snacks. And if we skip this, I never added the skip command. Oh my god, dude. Oh. The absolute worst, dude. I can't even like copy paste it. Otis McDonald does it floats. Oops. And then play bad snacks. Equinox. I just kind of want something to be able to skip. So we skip to. Okay, so we skip that. And if we skip this, it'll just. Hey, that's good. Okay, this is actually going. This is pretty cool so far, actually. So is there a... I don't really want to deal with any of that right yet. I want a queue command. How do you access the queue? Is it... Oh, node.queue. Okay. So this one is an example, but we're going to see if I am big brain enough to be able to do this myself. Whoops. Displays the queue. Different channels, so it should keep playing. Oh wow, that's actually pretty cool. So async def callback. If I can get this to work, I might end the stream here because I am really tired still. I kind of hope streaming would wake me up a bit, but if I'm just even more tired now, and I'm also hungry, so I'm gonna get some food as well. I just wanted to stream today, despite feeling like actual death. That's kind of why I've been pretty out of it the entire stream. I'd hoped it would improve, but it hasn't, so I think I'm going to end it early. But we did make some really, really good progress, which is pretty nice. Q0 is now playing Q1. Okay, cool. Is it one of those queues where a queue, like once a song has been played, it drops off the end of the queue, or is it one where it's sort of like MP3 style, or can you interchange between the two? So embed equals hikari.embeds, and we're going to set title equals queue, and description equals showing. I don't know, we'll just have the number of songs. We won't bother having any sort of error validation on here. I'm going to guess this is just a list. It's just redundancy with the now playing field. What do you mean? I'm not sure what you mean by that. So color equals, I will bother that. And we won't bother timestamp either, I can't be asked. So dot, actually it would be this, and then this would be in a thing, and then this would be moved over, and then this would be like that. There we go, and then you'd have dot add field name equals now playing, value equals oh, I see. So it'd be node.q0.info.title, and then next up, so it'd be so that's dot join n dot, so it'd be t.info.title for t in node q1, and that should be fine, I think. ctx, or there used to be a wait, ctx.respond embed. Why are you complaining at me? Expected. Oh, I missed a closing bracket somewhere. Oh yeah, so I did. Where did I miss that? Which one's this closing out? That's closing that up. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. It's missing right at the end. So this hopefully should work, I suppose. Actually, I just thought if the queue is empty, it's gonna break, isn't it? We also didn't add it. Queue. Presuming this is probably gonna error, yeah. Non-type object does not attribute queue. Okay, so if not node, whoopsie daisies, then await ctx.respond. No queue available. Oh, so I'll just put there are no tracks in the queue. Is it possible for this to be a thing as well? or would if not node, would that always be enough? Oh, it's still errors though. Oh, because it doesn't return. I'm dumb, but it is possible. Okay, so I'll leave that as it is then, I suppose. Do that. There are no tracks to the queue. Cool. Play. I know. This is a cool. I think this is the song I'm thinking about. It is. Okay, cool. I'll just try to remember the names of all the songs that I downloaded off the the audio library. If you join but not playing anything, that makes sense. Okay. Play. Genuinely don't remember any more of the songs I have. I do remember the other Young Logo song I have actually. And then, oh, we'll just put some bad snacks in there. Why not? Oh, okay, cool, that worked. Oh, track Q. Oh, it's different. So info built-in track Q has what? This track Q has no to be info. They're the dots, I suppose. Track info. Track Q. There we go. So wait. So what's node.q then? If node.q 0 is also a queue. Track. So do I have to do dot track dot info dot title? All right. That seems really weird. So if I just add some different ones so we get different songs to listen to. That should, there we go. No, we're just gonna make sure the queue actually just works. Although it's probably gonna throw up an index there, isn't it? Yeah, okay, well we'll add something else in there then. I didn't think of that entirely. And then slash Q. Hey, there we go. Extra values. I see. I feel like you could probably put the info within the track queue as well. Like have everything for the track in there too. I feel like that would make more sense. So it would be... Yes, a track queue would inherit from track and it would add all this extra stuff. That could be a way of doing it. If that would be possible, I think that way would be better, to be honest. But now we've got to fix... I'm not going to be able to chain it. I'm going to have to just do a if len node.q is greater than 1, then we add it. That's fair, I suppose. I'm gonna call that TQ so I know it's track Q. It just seems a weird way to do it, but so I'll put this in there, slash play Q, yep. Hey, awesome. Nice, nice, nice. And then this needs to be like that and then like that. And then I want to try this moving thing. Because we have more than one channel. If you look at the Rust code for this. Okay. I'll take your word for it. Take it easy. That's next. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure why that's happened. It's a bit of a weird one. Okay, so there's this. It's a voice channel, and then I guess it's responding twice. No session found. Oh, because it's because of the play, I think. Oh right, yeah. Core events are slow on startup. Thank you. This is my this is my YouTube audio library, copyright free music knowledge that I use for the Carberra channel. So what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna move the bot over. So I don't know how to do this, I've never done it before. Move to videos. Hey, it actually does work. That's actually kind of nuts. So I think that's probably everything I want to do this stream. Alright, you know what? What we will do, because I'm feeling a little bit better, we will try and work on this, because I think I know how it would work. Oh, that's quite loud. Is that loud for people? I don't know. I know I turned it down quite a bit. No, it looks like it's fine. I just wasn't sure because it was absolutely deafening me. On like even quite a low volume. So it'd be something like, oh, I forget exactly what it is. It'd be like file.spec or something, wouldn't it? I'm going to create a test file for this. Should I already have one? So print, I think it's file anyway. I'm not sure if this is a string though. Python test.py. Well, it is a string. So getting this, so I could do it externally, because if you do it externally, you'd use the import lib, and then you'd be able to grab it from that. Unless you could do import lib file from import lib import module, which is such a weird thing to do. Mod equals import module. So if I could import itself and then, oh no, that's not going to work. Because what I want to do is I want to be able to get the spec of the file, and I do not remember for the life of me how to do it. So I can kind of get all these classes, or like I can do like if instance check on it. Get from file. Oh, it's probably going to need to be Python as well, isn't it? Classes in file. Stack Overflow. Oh, it's so bright white. Ow. System modules. Oh, really? You can do it through sys. Okay. So do import sys. That's not. Yes, that's not what I want to do at all. And then I need to import. Apparently inspect as well. Yeah, I need to import inspect too. And then I'll need to come down here and then do so for whoa, okay, my tablet has just gone not happy with what's happening right now. So for name, I guess, oh, that's not gonna happen. In inspect.get members sys.modules name bot. Okay, if is instance object /commands dot /command, it should be able to do inheritance. then bot.add slash commands object, and that should work, one would hope. Whoops. I guess we'll see. Welcome back, Terminal. We're getting some good progress, actually. And I think that actually worked, you know. All the commands are still here. Is it still willing to connect, or it's already connected? Yeah, they all still work. Hey! That's cool. I might try and get something like this working as well. Hang on. I'm going to make it like a notes. So... add multiple / commands in one command. And this is stuff for like light bulb potential PRs. PRs. So what was the other thing I was talking about? They were like oh yeah, pathlib extension loading. Already registered. That's true. Add a new one. Class tests. I'll just do really simple one. Whoops, it is this test command, and then if I just grab this. Oh, there goes the music again. I think anyone could add stuff, I think, but just make sure that it's like non-copyright. If you are going to play something. Although I think the bot is actually down now, isn't it? I'm in non-VC. Really? I don't know what the permissions in this server are like. They might be entirely messed up as far as I'm aware. ctx.respond. Hi. And that needs to be in a way. So let's see if this / test works. Damn it, dude. Didn't work. That's annoying. I don't think they re-registered themselves. I thought it was like, I thought you had to re-register every time if it was a single guild. Well, that's annoying. Print name. Yeah. So this is instance must not be working. Print type object dot base. I might have to do this. Oh, it should have a basis, shouldn't it? Or is it? Oh no, it's the actual class that has the basis. Or not. ABC meta. Oh yeah, it's because it's an ABC meta. It should register itself. It should, like, it should be fine, right? Print. It's all false. I thought the is instance. I thought this instance handled that. Just have a list of what? Well, the actual command. I want to be able to dynamically just add a command and then it works. I don't want to have to manually add anything to a list. I don't want to have to manually add any commands. I want, when a command is made here, I want this to work and pick it up. But apparently the is instance doesn't work how I thought it did. What's super maybe? I have no idea if this is even a thing, but and then we'll put it in here just in case it does work. But I want to see what it prints as well. Oh, it's still loaded. Has no attribute super. Okay. Print out the basis. This is what I tried to do. But it doesn't have a base. It doesn't have a basis. Unless I did it wrong. Python gets objects base. Oh god, what the hell? That's not what I want to do. Okay, maybe parent would be a better way of doing it. Like pop out the place. Yeah, maybe. Self.parent. Yeah, that's. Password reference. That's not really what I'm looking for. Because normally with a class, you can do double underscore bases, and this will give you the base objects. So if I do one here real quick, class, test, bam, bam. Oh, damn interpreter. I could print test dot bases, and it would print class object as a tuple. But because the slash command, or because something like this, like I don't know. I don't really know what it's doing. I'll be honest. So objects dot. But then that should work, shouldn't it? Because it is. Oh, go away. No, that's not what I wanted either. Yeah, int object has no attribute bases. Oh wait, the bases are loading. And it says int object has no attribute bases. Hello, what? Okay, I don't know what it's found there. Oh, probably the test guild ID. So to check if it has a type. And then if it does, we need to check if object base is 0 is a... Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Goodness. Testus is not doing it, any of them anymore. Is subclass. Really? That's a thing you can do? Is subclass. Oh. And then, what in the world does that take? Is subclass takes a class of type, class or tuple of type, and then a tuple. Return a class is derived from another class or is the same class. Because you don't have instances. Oh yeah, that's very true. Arg1 must be a class. Is it not a class? Oh no, because not all classes. Ugh. Why is this so difficult? Why does this have to be so hard? Ah ha 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 ha! I found a solution. Inspect dot is class, and now it will check the subclasses, and then it will load them all up. There we go. So now our test one should be there. Okay, cool. We worked it out. And then we don't want this anymore. So now it's, yeah, there's multiple slash commands in one command. It'll load it, and then what other thing was it? I forget what the other thing was. Oh yeah, the enable guilds default. Enabled guilds default. Okay. Because this is quite awkward, and I feel as though having a way to just have don't know, some other method of doing it. And now we don't need the name in there anymore. Okay. So, I've taken my headphones off, I can actually hear. We're coming up to 2 hours. We've made some really, really good progress, actually. We've got, the ability to join a channel, we've got the connection, deconnection, we've got playing, and we've got skipping, and we've got queue displaying. All in 2 hours. That is some heckin' hardcore progress right there. I'm happy about that. Probably could have made more if I wasn't so tired, but let's see. But yeah, I'm starting to get tired again, and I'm hungry, and my tablet is running out of batteries. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks to everyone that stopped by or helped in any way. Rate this compared to Wavelength so far. It seems like more intuitive. Like, this whole joining system is really weird, but beyond that, like, playing songs, skipping songs, queuing songs, and all of that seems more intuitive. I suppose because the queue is built in, which does help things. Yeah, besides some like weird stuff that happens somewhere else, yeah, it's actually quite good. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Current user voice channel. Yeah, that's the problem. So I suppose this is... Actually, yeah, this is all Hikari stuff, actually. That could probably be made easier as well. that might be a contribution to Hikari in the works. Yeah, I've just realised it is entirely unrelated to the... to Lava Snake, more or less. Yeah, it seems good so far. Yeah, it seems really good. Because with the wavelength stuff, I know I created my own queue, and I know I created my own player, but I think the queue wasn't already there. I think you had to create your own queue, and I subclassed the player to get some extra functionality in there. With this, you don't have to do any of that, which is kind of nice. But yeah, on the back of this successful stream, actually, I am going to end it. So, thanks again, everyone, for stopping by, and I will see you hopefully on the 1st, so tomorrow, where the update video will be done, because it's all recorded and everything now. So that'll be tomorrow. So, yeah, I'll see you for that.